It is early, it is Friday. I'm on my way to Taylor, Texas. Got one job, then I'm heading to Austin, check on 2 workers, and then back to Harker Heights, Texas, to check on another job. Hey, it is spring rush here in Texas. We are hiring like crazy, and we are taking any and every job. So if you want anything done as a homeowner, commercial, residential, reach out. And if you're looking for a job, reach out. All right, guys. Made it to Taylor, Texas. Back out here again. So this is a problem area for my client. She has this where she wants to dig it out and put in a couple of plants. They started, but you know, people are busy. They trade their time for me, and I appreciate it. So I'm gonna finish this up this morning, and that's really about it. And she has some questions about her backyard. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, so if you're hearing me, this part is what I call voiceover. I can actually turn the volume down on the original audio, record over like I'm doing right here, which is pretty cool. So yeah. Learn and upgrade your editing skills. CapCut and UCut, got everything you need, guys. But that's how I learn it and do it. You can speed up videos just like this. If it's a long form video, you can speed it up. But this is what I did today. It's a pain digging out the grass, but hey, there really is no easy way to remove this stuff. You're gonna use a tiller. Client didn't want that. She just wanted it dug out so they could do some planting. So I got my shovel. I've been doing this for almost over a decade, so it's pretty easy for me. But you just gotta start digging out in sections. That's probably the easiest way. Keep your mess down. Make your pile one little neat pile to the side, so you ain't got a mess everywhere. And then come back water hose, spray it off, clean up your mess, and that's really about it. Forgot trash bags. Hey, it happens. Running around. Here we go again. All right, guys. So we're all done out here. And that's a wrap for Taylor, Texas. And yeah, contrary to belief, sometimes I have clients that are like, hey, Travis, I just want you to do this. We're going to take care of the rest of it. They're actually going to put down their own weed barrier and do the rest of the work. They just didn't want to do the digging part. And I don't mind jobs like that. So if you're a homeowner and you just want something specifically done so you can save you some money and do the rest of it, I'm okay with that. Reach out to me, okay? All right, guys. So we just finished out here in Taylor, Texas. It's been a busy Friday so far. Here's my list. Town from town. I got workers that are in Austin getting a job done. I'm heading back to Harker Heights, Texas after I leave here. But I'm in Taylor, Texas right now. Just finished this job. Just clearing these 2 areas for my client. This area right here too, so they can come do some future planting. I was actually here 2 years ago. If you saw one of my videos on TikTok, we did this paver pathway a couple years ago. I made a couple of videos with this. It's pretty cool. People call you back year after year to come back and do other things. But this job is done. Heading to Harker Heights, Texas to get the job done of just laying a bag of concrete. That's all lady wants around a fence post. That pays like really $80, $90. That's really just gas money. But head in there and you're gonna check on workers periodically. And while I'm driving, doing editing videos on CapCut and UCut, it's just nonstop. Hey, this is if you want to be a business owner, you got to realize you got to put in the work. It's gonna be nonstop, and you got to stay busy. And you can't be lazy, man. You got to learn editing skills. Definitely learn editing skills on CapCut, UCut. There's different softwares, things out there. If you can't do it, delegate and hire someone. But learn how to promote your business, take pictures, take videos, behind the scene things like this was my little office, the vehicle. I got my coffee, had to go get bags this morning because, sometimes we fall behind, things happen. But it is non-stop. You got to put yourself out there. You got to be willing to get out there, get up, move around. It's spring rush for us right now, and I got 3 or 4 people working for me as well. So delegating work, and it's just nonstop. Somebody texting me right now. My worker said they're in Austin, Texas, doing weed removal, weeding, getting leaves up from my yard in East Austin, Texas. But it's non-stop, guys. But talk to you later. Check out this video later on this evening. I'm doing some editing. Appreciate you guys. Let me know what kind of content you want to see on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, guys. I got you. Ladies as well. And like I said, we're always hiring. We're in Central Texas. Come on. Come meet me. Come join us. Hey, see you guys later. All right, guys. Letting pass this river. Check it out. Going to Harker Heights, Texas. Letting pass this river. This is the bridge. Pretty cool, huh? Second project of the day out in Killeen, Texas, just simply resetting these posts. A client, she had an issue with her fence leaning, so just one big old huge bag of quick concrete, reset these 2 posts, let them dry, and that's really about it. So 2 down on this Friday. Oh.